Welcome to recording of the gradient. This project works on finding and setting watches on games so that when desired prices are reached, the website notifies you and you can purchase the game at the price that you set your watch it to be. So here, as we start out, we at our homepage. Homepage is Homepage just contains of basic information, our basic layout, simplistic, try to keep it a simplistic design. Next, what we can do as seen here is that we have a home button, explore, with both our explore page, latest games, top rated games. We have our view cart, our purchase history. We have these are additional buttons, the add, delete, and edit for admin use only. We have about page, about the gradient, joining the gradient, how to explore, how to contact us, social media that we're on. We also have a login and a logout page. Right now, we will go to the explore page. We are logged in as an admin. We can log out in a moment, but just to show all functionality. So explore page, as we can see, we're just having some issues with permissions from the images in our server folder, but that can be dealt with. As for instance, if you want to edit a game, we can add, edit, or delete, or we can go through to the top three things over here. In the case that we want to edit a game, right, we can choose a game from the list, say which game we want to edit. Let's just say you want to edit The Witcher 3. Click edit, select game. It automatically fills out all the selected text boxes for you. That's what's already in the database. You can go ahead and change it. So here we want to change the rating to, let's say, 8. You want to say age restriction, let's say 18, and you can change the current price, you can change the release price. You can also change the date. You can select the date, so we'd like released on the 16th of November, just for fun's sake, or let's just make it 2nd. You don't want to cause any issues with the database. Right, we can choose a file to be our image file. So in this case, we can either select a file, or we can just choose a random file. We can submit the entry. If we go back to our explore games, we will see that now our game has changed and we have edited the game with our rating being set to 8. If we go to add a game, right, we can add a game, we can select the game, let's call it FIFA 7. We can set the rating of the game, 8, age restriction 13 plus. Does it have a predecessor? Yes. Current price, let's just say it's 200 Rand. Release price, it was probably about 700 Rand. Oh, description, soccer game. We can set the date of release. We can go back far. We just select here. It will take us back. But we can just select it. Let's just say it came out on 27th of October. We can choose a file to be representing the image. I don't actually have a file for FIFA, so I'm just going to choose a random file again. And we can submit the entry. It will tell us yes, it's submitted. Tell us the information. If you go to our explore page, we will find our game added, FIFA 7, to the database and to our explore page. We can then delete the game. Same concept. You choose a game to delete. Let's say we want to delete FIFA 7. We can delete select game. Do you want to delete this game? Yes. Delete successful. If you go back to our explore page, we will find that FIFA 7 is now gone. We then have our functionality of adding watches to a game. So let's say we want to add a watcher to Call of Duty, right? So we just click on the name Call of Duty, right? Place a price that we want to add our watcher at. So this is the price will decrease